Welcome back to RankyFy. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire RankyFy platform and show you how you can manage SEO, content, keywords, traffic, and reporting, all from one powerful dashboard. Let's get started. Dashboard. This is the first section. Here I get a complete view of SEO performance at a glance. This section includes live projects, visibility trend, overall health, etc. Projects. The next thing I see is the projects section. At a glance, I can see the total number of projects audited, total keywords tracked, and my top 3 and top 10 rankings. Below that is an overview of all audited projects. Clicking any one opens its full report instantly. To add a new project, I click Add Project and follow a simple 4-step flow. Basic info takes my project name and domain URL. Location takes my country, city, language, and primary device. Industry takes my target keywords, industry or niche, and competitors. And crawl settings takes my crawl depth, exclude paths, and robots. .txt preferences. Once everything is set, I click Start Audit, and RankyFy takes care of the rest. AI Site Audit. As soon as the audit is complete, I land on the AI Site Audit dashboard. At the top is the Site Health Score, an instant read on how the website is performing. Besides that, I see my URL, duration of the audit, max depth, and max pages. The section below shows total pages, crawled, critical issues, warnings, and info issues. Right below are other features like SEO score, content score, on-page score, technical score, and quality score. The next section offers more specs such as average word count, readability, load time, internal links, external links, HTTPS pages, schema markup, and mobile-friendly score. The Advanced Audit Report section covers core web vitals, security, schema, sitemap, image, and content depth views. Right below, I see good CWS, CLS risk, INP risk, and average LCP. Along with it is the detailed table of concerned URLs. The next section is the pages overview. Here, I get a snapshot of crawled pages and their metrics. The on-page SEO section offers content metrics of each page, and the last section, Technical SEO, offers a technical overview. View full technical SEO analysis takes me to the technical SEO section, SEO Content Audit. Next, let's look at the Content Audit section. Once inside, the Content Metrics section shows 3 core scores: Content Score, On-Page Score, and Technical Score. Below that, I can see the total images and how many are missing. Alt Text, a full heading structure breakdown across H1, H2, and H3. Title and meta description length. Page type, and a duplicate content tab flagging any duplicated content on the URL. Scrolling down, the Content Audit section gives me word count, sentence, and paragraph totals, Flesh Ease score, grade level, content depth, and overall readability. Everything I need to know whether my content is built to engage a reader, not just exist on a page. The top keywords section shows the most frequently used keywords, helping me assess whether the page is focused or scattered. Every page gets a clear score. 80 and above is excellent. 60 to 79 is good, and below 60 needs attention. On-page SEO. Now let's move into the on-page SEO section. Here I can analyze website pages and content performance in a structured, easy-to-understand dashboard. As soon as I enter my website URL, RankyFy instantly analyzes the page's content, structure, and technical SEO signals and presents a complete on-page SEO report right on the dashboard. At the top is the site-wide content metrics section, a quick snapshot of overall content health across the entire website. Here I can see average word count, readability score, keyword density, total internal links, external links, and total images. Just below that is the heading structure summary, showing H1, H2, and H3 distribution across all pages, giving me a clear picture of how content is built site-wide before diving into individual pages. Below, I reach the Analyzed Pages section, where every crawled URL is listed with its SEO performance summary. Opening any page shows a detailed breakdown covering SEO score, content score, on-page score, and technical score, so I can see exactly how each page is performing across every SEO layer. Below the scores, I get deeper page-level insights: internal backlinks, total images, images without alt text, heading structure, title length, meta description length, page type, and duplicate content status. Every element is broken down into actionable data rather than just a single number. Back on the main list, each URL displays its individual scores side by side. This makes it easy to compare multiple pages at once. Technical SEO. Moving on to the Technical SEO section. On the extreme right, I can see the total number of pages scanned. Below that is the Technical SEO overview covering HTTP status codes, indexability, mobile friendliness, and HTTPS status at a glance. The Core Check section runs a yes or no evaluation across 7 factors: HTTPS enabled, mobile friendly, Schema markup, Apple Touch icon, indexable, viewport meta tag, and favicon. Clear pass or fail for each. No technical jargon required. The Performance section shows the exact page load time, page size, and a page load speed scale for every crawled page. And the Crawl Errors section flags any pages search engines struggle to access, so I can fix them before they damage rankings. Traffic and Analytics. Now let's head over to Traffic and Analytics. The section opens with 2 tabs: RankyFy Analytics and Google GSC plus GA4. The first tab shows total clicks, impressions, average CTR, average position, and overall visitor numbers. Tapping Full Report takes me to the GSC plus GA4 tab, where I can filter by region, device, and time period, last 7, 28, or 90 days. From there, I can review device breakdown charts, traffic trends across clicks, impressions, CTR, and position, top countries, device split, country breakdown with per country CTR and rank data, traffic sources, top landing pages with sessions and engagement, conversion funnel, competitor keyword overlap, search appearance, top pages by clicks, anchor text types, and backlink gap. The Manage Google tab is where I connect my GA4 and Search Console properties, both of which must match the selected project before clicking Save to activate the integration. At the end, I can see my top device, top country, and index rate, and download the full report as a PDF instantly. Rank Tracking. Now let's move into the Rank Tracking section. Here I can monitor keyword rankings, track SEO progress, and gain clear insights into my search visibility. At the top, I have the option to switch between global ranking and local ranking, letting me analyze keyword performance across broader search results or specific target locations. Just below that is a keyword search bar for quickly locating any tracked keyword without scrolling through the entire list. On the top right, I have 3 quick action controls: refresh to pull the latest ranking data, export to download ranking reports as CSV files, and add keywords to begin tracking new search terms directly from the dashboard. Below that is the Performance Summary section, giving me an instant overview of my ranking health. Here I can see my average position across all tracked keywords, the number of keywords ranking in the top 3 and top 10, the total ranked keywords, and the total keywords being tracked. Scrolling down, I reach the main keyword tracking table. For every tracked keyword, RankyFy displays the keyword name, target country and language, associated landing page, first tracked position, latest position, ranking movement, and the search engine being monitored. The first tracked and latest columns are especially useful as they let me measure SEO progress over time and evaluate the direct impact of my optimization efforts. With all keyword data in a single view, comparing rankings, spotting trends, and prioritizing optimization opportunities becomes straightforward. Pagination controls at the bottom keep large keyword lists organized and easy to navigate. Whether you're tracking rankings for your own website or managing multiple client campaigns, RankyFy gives you a centralized, organized way to measure performance, identify opportunities, and stay on top of SEO growth. Welcome back to RankyFy, your ultimate all-in-one solution for SEO. Today, I will take you through the backlink section, which sits right below rank tracking. This is where I can track and manage my entire link building progress from one place. The first thing I see is the Add Links tab. Clicking it opens a setup screen where I enter my domain, select a link category, and add my links, either manually or by uploading a CSV file. Once everything is in, I click Submit, and the links are saved to the dashboard instantly. Once saved, every link is displayed in a detailed table showing the upload date, link, status, index, relationship, anchor, target, duplicate, uploaded, first seen, and last seen information for each entry. Everything I need to monitor the health and progress of each link is visible in one organized view. With RankyFy's backlink section, managing link building campaigns, tracking link status, and staying on top of progress is efficient and straightforward, all from one dashboard. Keyword research. The first thing I see is a search bar where I can enter a seed keyword, phrase, or domain. I'll enter SEO as my keyword, select my country from the filter tab, and click Search. The results load instantly across 5 tabs, each offering a different layer of keyword intelligence. The first tab highlights my keyword's type, which shows informational along with its difficulty level. Below that, I get 4 core metrics: monthly search volume, cost per click, competition score, and total related keywords. Everything I need to assess whether a keyword is worth pursuing. Further down is the monthly search volume bar graph and a related keywords table with search volume, difficulty, and CTR for each suggestion. Moving to the second tab, SERP analysis. Here, I get an overview of estimated results, search intent, SERP features, and region. Below that, the keyword difficulty and competition level bar scales give me a quick read on ranking complexity. The SERP features detected section shows everything appearing on the results page: AI overview, people also ask, images, and more. And the search intent analysis tells me the primary intent, along with recommended content types, saving significant time when planning content. The third tab is questions. Here, I can see the total number of question-based keywords along with their volume and competition level, particularly useful for FAQ content, blog posts, and featured snippet targeting. The fourth tab is trends. At a glance, I can see current interest, month-on-month change, peak interest, and average search volume. Below that, the weekly search intent graph and monthly search volume breakdown help me time my content for maximum effect. The weekly data point section adds a granular view of week-by-week interest and change percentages. And finally, the fifth tab, Keyword Gap. This section helps me identify keyword opportunities based on competition and volume. I can filter across 4 views: all, opportunities, easy wins, and competitive, and drill into individual keywords with their search volume, difficulty, and CTR. A clear, prioritized roadmap for any content strategy. When I'm done, I tap Export and the full report downloads to my system instantly. Content AI. Now let's look at Content AI. At the top, I see New Scrape. Clicking it opens the Content Optimizer, where I enter my primary keyword, secondary keyword, industry niche, target location, language, page length, and website URL. Then click Optimize Content. Below that, I can see my project name, a summary of total words, characters, readability score, and features, and the keyword ranking section, which shows intent, search volume, and difficulty. The section has 11 tabs. Overview shows meta description, meta keywords, and page details. SEO shows readability score, word count, and an SEO checklist. Keyword Match compares my content against competitors with optimization score, keyword distribution, and a detailed competitor column with per-competitor breakdowns. Word Analysis applies the same metrics word by word. Structure shows my full heading hierarchy. Links show internal and external link counts. Competitors run a SERP competitor analysis. Content opens the optimization editor with keyword suggestions and competitor benchmarking. SEO Reports Archive stores every snapshot, sortable by newest, best readability, or best rankings. Content Suggestion Previews recommended improvements, and Optimized HTML shows a side-by-side original versus optimized preview with a regenerate option. I click Export, and the full report downloads instantly. Blog Title Generator. Moving on to the Blog Title Generator. I start with the Generation Input section, entering my main keyword. Here, AI SEO, my category or niche. Here, SaaS Marketing, the number of title variants I want, my tone and style I'm choosing, data-led, my processing mode between standard automation or deep competitive scan, and any competitor URLs. Then I click Generate AI Titles. The Live Workflow section displays real-time generation status and provides the option to cancel. Below that, SEO Scoring displays average score, meta range, and a feature checklist. Recent runs logs previously generated titles by category, date, and time. On the top right, the Generated Blog Title section delivers high CTR, short form, long form, trending, competitor-inspired, question-based, and listicle variants, each with keyword category and character count. Below that, I can see content angle suggestions, meta title suggestions, competitor title analysis, and trend-based title opportunities. Google Search Intelligence surfaces, autocomplete, related searches, people also search for, long-tail phrases, and trending phrases directly from Google. Keyword Clusters organizes variations into informational, commercial investigation, long-tail, and supporting categories. And Search Intent breaks down primary intent, secondary intent, and supportive keywords. To save, I can copy all, export as CSV, or download in JSON format. My reports. And finally, let's look at my reports. The Reports section lets me pull data from all RankyFy tools into one place. I can choose from ready-to-use template categories: SEO, Audit, Technical, Content, Research, and Links. Inside the Report Editor, the Widgets panel gives me access to data from Site Audit, Rank Tracking, Google Search Console, Google Analytics, On-Page SEO, Technical SEO, Content Audit, and Keyword Research. The Formatting option lets me edit headings, structure, and layout. Templates offer pre-made themes for a polished finish. And the Add Logo icon lets me upload my organization's logo for personalized branding. Widget Settings lets me edit any block's content and formatting, including agency branding and cover page edits. When done, I click Generate PDF and download the report instantly. The second tab is White Label, which opens global white label settings, where I can add my agency logo, name, owner name, phone, and email. Then click Update. These defaults apply across all projects and can be overridden per project as needed. That's a complete walkthrough of the RankyFy platform. From site audits and technical SEO to keyword research, content optimization, and white label reporting, everything you need to manage SEO at any scale lives in one place. Whether you're a freelancer, a startup, or a full-scale agency, RankyFy gives you the tools to work smarter, move faster, and deliver real results with confidence. Explore RankyFy today.